Looking for ultimate road security? Meet the AI 4K Dashcam V8 Max, front, rear, and full 360 degrees coverage with driver monitoring for maximum safety. 4K STARVIS front and rear recording. Capture stunning 4K footage with STARVIS sensor for crystal clear day and night recording. 360 degrees 4-channel coverage. Record the front, rear, cabin, and blind spots simultaneously for full protection on every drive. AI driver monitoring system. Advanced AI monitors driver behavior, alerting you to distractions, fatigue, or drowsiness for added safety.
5G Wi-Fi, GPS.
Stream footage live, download clips instantly, and track routes with GPS mapping. Night vision and 24/7 parking mode. High-quality night vision and 24/7 parking mode protect your car even when unattended. Plus, it comes with a free 64 GB memory card. Crystal clear 4K STARVIS video captures every detail. AI driver monitoring enhances safety on the road. Complete 360 degrees 4-channel coverage keeps your car and passengers protected. Advanced features may require a learning curve during setup. Larger unit may take some space on the windshield. Overall, the V8 Max AI 4K Dashcam is perfect for anyone wanting high-quality recording, AI safety alerts, and full coverage on every drive. Check out the V8 Max Dashcam on Amazon today and upgrade your driving safety. Link in the description.